From the quiet rustle of leaves, a sound so subtle yet so profound, it connects us to the very essence of nature. To the deafening roar of a rocket launch, a testament to human ingenuity and the raw power of technology, our world is awash in a symphony of sounds. Each environment, each moment contributes to this grand auditory tapestry. But sound is much more than just something we hear. It is an experience, a sensation that can evoke emotions, memories, and even physical reactions. It is a fundamental force that shapes the very fabric of reality. Sound waves can influence the physical world, creating patterns and forms that are both beautiful and complex. Ancient cultures intuitively understood this truth, recognizing sound as a powerful force capable of influencing both the physical and spiritual realms. They used sound in rituals and ceremonies to connect with the divine and to heal the body and mind. Across the globe, ancient traditions wove intricate tapestries of myth and wisdom around the power of sound. These stories and practices have been passed down through generations, preserving the knowledge of sound's profound impact. In Hinduism, the universe is said to have sprung forth from the primordial sound of This sacred sound is believed to contain the essence of the entire cosmos. Ancient Egyptians believed that the god Thoth created the universe with his voice. They saw sound as a divine tool for creation and transformation. Similarly, the Christian Bible begins with the words, "In the beginning was the Word," highlighting the creative power of sound. This idea is echoed in many religious and spiritual traditions around the world. These ancient beliefs, often dismissed as mere mythology, are increasingly supported by modern scientific discoveries. Researchers are uncovering the ways in which sound can influence matter and energy, revealing the hidden connections between sound and the physical world. Cymatics, the study of wave phenomena, reveals the stunning ways in which sound shapes matter, offering a glimpse into the hidden order and beauty of the universe. Through cymatics, we can see how sound creates intricate patterns and structures, demonstrating its power to organize and influence the material world. The night sky, with its vast expanse of stars, mirrors the intricate patterns created by sound. Just as the cosmos is governed by unseen forces, so too is our world shaped by the invisible power of sound. It is a reminder that the universe is a symphony, and we are all part of its grand composition. Imagine a metal plate dusted with sand vibrating with sound. The vibrations cause the sand to move, creating mesmerizing patterns that seem almost magical. As the frequency of the sound changes, the sand dances and swirls, forming intricate geometric patterns. Each frequency produces a unique design, showcasing the incredible diversity and complexity of sound. This is cymatics in action, a captivating demonstration of the hidden power of sound. Cymatics reveals the unseen beauty of sound waves, transforming them into visible art. By making sound visible, cymatics bridges the gap between the seen and the unseen, offering a window into the fundamental nature of reality. It allows us to perceive the invisible forces that shape our world. One of the pioneers of cymatics was Swiss scientist Hans Jenny. His groundbreaking work laid the foundation for our understanding of how sound influences matter. Through meticulous experimentation, Jenny demonstrated that sound frequencies could create incredibly diverse and complex patterns in various materials, from water to sand to powders. His experiments showed that sound is a powerful force capable of organizing matter into beautiful and intricate designs. These patterns, known as Chladni figures, revealed a hidden world of order and beauty within the seemingly chaotic realm of sound. Named after Ernst Chladni, who first discovered them, these figures are a testament to the harmonious nature of sound. Cymatics provides compelling evidence that sound is not merely something we hear, but a dynamic force that shapes and influences the world around us. It shows us that sound has the power to create structure and form, influencing everything from the smallest particles to the largest structures in the universe. Just as a symphony orchestra creates a tapestry of sound through the interplay of different instruments, so too does the universe resonate with a symphony of vibrations, shaping the very fabric of reality. Every sound, every vibration contributes to the grand symphony of existence, weaving together the intricate patterns of life and the cosmos. From the gentle strumming of a guitar string to the powerful roar of a thunderstorm, sound waves are all around us, constantly interacting and influencing the world in ways we are only beginning to understand. Cymatics opens our eyes to this hidden dimension, revealing the profound connection between sound and the physical world. Today, scientists and artists continue to explore the fascinating world of cymatics, using modern technology to visualize sound in new and innovative ways. These explorations not only deepen our understanding of sound, but also inspire new forms of art and creativity, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of sound, we uncover the profound impact it has on our lives and the universe. Cymatics reminds us that sound is a fundamental force, intricately woven into the fabric of reality, shaping and influencing everything it touches. For millennia, ancient cultures have recognized the profound influence of sound on human consciousness. From the Gregorian chants of medieval Europe to the rhythmic drumming of indigenous tribes, sound has played a central role in spiritual practices across the globe, serving as a bridge between the material and spiritual realms. In ancient India, the practice of Nada Yoga, or the yoga of sound, utilizes specific sounds and chants, known as mantras, to induce deep states of meditation and spiritual awakening. The repetition of these sacred sounds is believed to harmonize the body's energy centers, leading to increased self-awareness and spiritual insight. Similarly, Tibetan Buddhist monks have long used chanting bowls and throat singing to create complex sonic vibrations. These practices are believed to promote healing, purify the mind, and facilitate access to higher states of consciousness. The deep, resonant tones of the chanting bowls, in particular, are said to resonate with the body's own natural frequencies, promoting balance and well-being. Section 4. The healing power of sound. From ancient chants to modern medicine, the ancient wisdom of sound healing is increasingly being validated by modern science. Sound therapy, using a range of instruments and techniques, is gaining recognition as a complementary therapy for various conditions, from anxiety and depression to chronic pain and sleep disorders. One of the most well-known examples of sound healing is music therapy. By engaging with music in a therapeutic setting, individuals can explore emotions, improve communication, and develop coping mechanisms. Music therapists utilize a variety of instruments and techniques, tailoring sessions to the individual needs of each client. Beyond music therapy, other forms of sound healing include binaural beats, which utilize specific sound frequencies to entrain brainwave states, and vibroacoustic therapy, which uses low-frequency sound vibrations to promote relaxation and pain relief. As our understanding of the intricate relationship between sound and the human body deepens, the potential applications of sound healing continue to expand. Section 5. Sound and the science of vibration. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world of sound and its underlying principles, exploring how modern physics has revolutionized our understanding of this fundamental phenomenon. Modern physics unveils the secrets of sound, shedding light on the intricate mechanisms that govern how sound is produced, transmitted, and perceived. Through advanced research and cutting-edge technology, scientists have been able to decode the mysteries of sound waves and their interactions with matter. Modern physics has revealed that at its core, the universe is a vast ocean of vibrating energy. This discovery has profound implications, suggesting that everything we perceive as solid and static is, in fact, in a state of constant motion. The vibrations of energy fields and subatomic particles form the very fabric of our reality. From the smallest subatomic particles to the largest galaxies, everything is in a constant state of motion, vibrating at specific frequencies. These vibrations are not random, but follow precise patterns and laws, which scientists are continually striving to understand. The rhythmic dance of particles and celestial bodies alike is a testament to the interconnectedness of all things in the universe. Sound, as a form of vibration, plays a fundamental role in this cosmic dance. Through experiments like cymatics, where sound waves create intricate patterns in sand or water, we can visualize the impact of sound on matter. Musical instruments, too, demonstrate how vibrations produce harmonious sounds that resonate with our senses. Quantum physics, in particular, has revolutionized our understanding of sound and vibration. By delving into the quantum realm, scientists have uncovered the dual nature of particles and waves, leading to groundbreaking discoveries that challenge our conventional notions of reality. The discovery that particles can also behave as waves, known as wave-particle duality, has profound implications for our understanding of reality. This duality suggests that the behavior of particles is influenced by their wave-like properties, opening up new avenues of research and exploration in the field of quantum mechanics. This suggests that sound, as a wave phenomenon, may play a more fundamental role in the structure of the universe than previously thought. The propagation of sound waves through different mediums and their interactions with matter reveal the underlying principles that govern the behavior of the universe at both macroscopic and microscopic levels. Furthermore, the study of string theory, which proposes that the universe is composed of tiny, vibrating strings of energy, further reinforces the importance of vibration in the grand scheme of things. String theory posits that these minuscule strings, vibrating at different frequencies, are the building blocks of all matter and energy in the universe. Each string vibrates at a specific frequency, and these vibrations, much like the strings on a musical instrument, give rise to the fundamental forces and particles that make up our universe. By understanding the vibrations of these strings, scientists hope to unlock the secrets of the cosmos, providing deeper insights into the nature of reality and the forces that govern it. If you enjoyed this exploration into the mysteries of sound and the universe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Muse of Knowledge. Join us as we continue to uncover the wisdom of the universe.